Hi, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to show you this fabulous hydroponic garden from Agrestem.
My husband and I really wanted to start growing our own vegetables, but we don't have a lot of experience or time, which is why this product is perfect for us. It's very easy to use and set up. It has options for flowers or vegetables and LED lighting that's adjustable depending on the size of your plants. Our favorite part is how easy the maintenance is. We just add water and plant food once a week or once every other week, and the plant food comes with the garden, which is really nice. We have only had this hydroponic garden for about 6 weeks, and we're very pleased with the results. The roots are looking very big and full. Our plants are green and they look healthy, and now we're just waiting to enjoy the fruits of our labor. This is a great product for anyone looking for an easy, beautiful, low maintenance garden.
And that's my point of view.